Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Zoho CRM mobile app works and whether it's worth using for your sales and customer management tasks. Zoho CRM's mobile app is designed for professionals who need real-time access to customer data on the go. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or customer support, the app offers a streamlined version of its desktop platform, allowing you to manage leads, contacts, deals, and tasks right from your phone. The interface is clean and responsive, supporting both Android and iOS devices with offline access, so you can continue working even without an internet connection. One of the strongest features of the app is its customization. You can tailor modules, layouts, and views to match your business workflow. For instance, sales reps can view leads by territory, while support agents can track open tickets. The app also supports voice notes, check-ins, and push notifications to help teams stay coordinated and responsive. The dashboard widgets offer at a glance metrics so you can quickly assess pipeline health, revenue forecasts, or activity trends. Integration is another key strength. The Zoho CRM mobile app syncs well with other Zoho apps like Zoho Mail, Zoho Desk, and Zoho Books, and even third-party tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Outlook. You can log calls, schedule meetings, and send emails directly from the app. For teams using automation workflows, many of those functions still trigger from mobile usage, although more complex automation is best handled on desktop. However, the app does have some drawbacks. Some users report that customization isn't always as smooth on mobile as it is on desktop. While it works well for day-to-day tasks, deeper analytics, campaign management, or heavy data imports are limited on mobile. There's also a learning curve for first-time CRM users, especially when navigating module relationships and automations. Still, for users familiar with Zoho's ecosystem, the mobile app is a powerful companion tool. If you're looking for a CRM app that covers the essentials with flexible access and integration, Zoho CRM's mobile app is definitely worth considering. It's particularly useful for field agents, remote teams, and business owners who need quick insights and task management while on the move. If you're unsure about some of the features or workflows, feel free to explore the desktop version first, then gradually adopt the mobile app for daily operations. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.